Hello, everyone. This is our our Media Week, and we are grateful, very grateful for the embrace that our parish has given to media, to technology. All our three congregations at different levels have really embraced the use of technology, and we keep rising, we keep scaling up. And so this week, as the media team leads us in different conversations to enlighten us on the role of technology in ministry, one of the things that stands out is the role of media and technology in evangelism. I think it's a wonderful tool. Many times we would have to wait until maybe there's an evangelistic week for us to be able to evangelize, but now we can evangelize every single day. We can pass the good news of Jesus Christ in very effective ways every single day through technology, and we just need to keep learning different ways of doing that. And I trust that this week, one of the things that we're going to be experiencing is exactly that, just knowing more about how to use technology, media as a tool of evangelism. Also very key to ministry efficiency, because sometimes we look for ways in which we can make our ministry more efficient. For instance, the way we communicate. Media is such a wonderful tool of making sure that people get information, so we can use it at our different levels of church administration to enhance communication, even meetings. Sometimes we will be able to shrink our meetings and also shrink our meeting times by use of technologies, but we'll need to learn about how to utilize technology to even hold technical meetings and a lot more. And I think also important in technology is just trying to see it's a very big space when it comes to ministry innovation, that we can be able to, beyond our regular life, we are able to also create community around the world. We're able to make associations, links around the world that would take maybe lots of dollars for us to travel from one place to another. We no longer need to do that. We can be part of the global faith community through technology. So it's just an amazing week to reflect on that. And I want to appreciate all of us because we as a parish, we have also been very open to moments when we have used technology to do particular programs, like programs that are not available on the ground but are available virtually. We've been able to embrace that, and we can only grow. And therefore, as we continue with this week, let us support the IT, the media ministry in terms of their programs this week. Let's also receive their ministry this coming Sunday at the same time, where we need to use this Sunday to be able to scale up in terms of our equipment. Let us also support this ministry. Media, we can say, is good news to the good news. Let us enjoy this week. Let us expand in this week. Let us learn this week. God bless.
Hello and praise God. Welcome to this special coverage for IT Week. I'm Mureti. Today we have a special guest, Collins Mureti. He's a system support engineer and a developer at Sibling Kenya Limited. He's also passionate about technology and a born-again Christian. We'll be diving into an exciting discussion on the branches of IT. Stay with us as we uncover the diverse areas of IT. Collins, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
Let's start with your journey. What inspired you into the IT field?
Since childhood, I have been a fanatic of technology. My biggest inspiration was my late father, Eric Mukiri, who was in the fintech space for many years. Seeking his work made me passionate about technology, and I decided to pursue it as a career.
That's truly inspiring. Now, as a support system engineer, what does your work entail? What role do you have?
My role involves troubleshooting systems, developing software solutions, and ensuring that IT systems run smoothly. I also work with different technologies to support business operations.
Okay, IT is a broad field. Could you give us an overview of why it is such a fast-growing venture?
Okay, so IT is embedded in our daily lives, from sending an SMS to running multi-billion-dollar companies like Tesla. The demand for technology keeps growing because it makes life easier, businesses more efficient, and opens endless opportunities.
That's true. Now, IT has different branches. Can you share some key ones?
Yes, I can. There are many, but here are some of the major ones. For example, cybersecurity being one, software development, web development, cloud computing, data science, DevOps, network administration, AI, which is not properly known as artificial intelligence, database administration, mobile development, and so many other more.
Okay, let's break it down a little bit. Could you briefly explain what some of these branches involve?
Yeah, sure. For example, cybersecurity, of course. This basically is when you protect your systems from cyber threats like hacking and data breaches. Software development involves creating applications and software for businesses and individuals. Then we have cloud computing, which allows businesses to store and manage data online instead of using physical servers. Then we also have AI, which teaches machines to think and make decisions like humans. Then we also have mobile development, focuses on creating apps for smartphones and tablets, iPhones, etc.
That's really insightful and a good summary. Which of these branches do you think would shape the future of IT?
To be honest, right now, I think AI, cybersecurity, and clouds are already transforming the industry. So AI is revolutionizing automation, cybersecurity is crucial in protecting digital assets, and cloud is making our data storage and access more sufficient.
And for someone interested in pursuing IT, what advice would you give them?
My advice, first of all, will be identify your passion within the IT space, whether it's coding, security, networking, or AI. Then keep learning, get hands-on experience, and stay updated with the latest trends. IT is always evolving, so continuous learning is okay.
Okay, that's really great advice. Before we wrap up, where do you see IT in the next 10 years?
IT will definitely be more advanced with AI-driven automation, stronger cybersecurity measures, and increased cloud adaptations. We'll also see innovations in robotics and smart technology in everyday life.
Okay, Collins, thank you so much for sharing insights with us today. IT is indeed a fascinating and limitless field. Thank you so much.
Thank you for also having me. I hope more people will explore opportunities in IT.
Okay, that's all for today. If you're interested in IT, start learning and be part of the future. Stay tuned for our next episode.
Bye.